Yo, what's goody, people? Damn, bruh, it's been a minute since I recorded these videos, you know? Like on the, what you call it? On the desktop, on the laptop, how you gonna call it? It's been a minute, so if this thing could just refresh right now, let's just get it to refresh. So it's been an overall good week, good week. Cannot complain, none whatsoever. So right now, we had this trade from last was Friday. I took a trade when yesterday. Today's Tuesday. I took this trade on German 30 and it hit the TP here, but then it could have hit these other levels. It's still giving us lower highs, so I'm still like biased on the bears. So yeah, I took this trade, made a big win, $250, but I already made that video. So now it's just like a breakdown of what. Sorry, the breakdown. I was waiting for this one. I actually entered off of here, like last week Friday, like I said, and I could have just held it, bro. I legit could have just held it till now, but I just closed because I was like, I wasn't sure. And you know, with session opens, it could just spike to the upside, and you never really know. So I don't know what makes that spike, but it is what it is at this point. So this one we're floating like a steady like $60. It's not a lot, but I'm gonna let it ride out till it hits TP here. And I actually reduced my risk. I put like my stop loss like just above these lower highs, because in the morning it pushed down. I got this like, bro, I entered this trade like around fucking 5 a.m, bro. Like when I woke up, I'm like, shit, lower high, and it just gave me the confirmation. So I'm like, nah, I'm gonna enter. Like I'm dead ass certain about this one. And then it did the things, and then yeah, and then it just ultimately kept pushing down. Okay, it came back up. My stop loss was still above here, and then a little bit of drawdown, and then just started shitting the bed again. I guess it kind of gave us a new low, like just barely, but I don't know. I'm just gonna see how it plays out here. I'm kind of like, it's not at a level where there's buys, because here's another level of strong buys. So I'm not really, and it's still giving me lower high, but like better structure. So I don't want to like close too early. And then yeah, because I could have taken the trade on German 30 if I'm being honest, but I would like be in just barely enough what you call it, like profits. I would still be in profits. My risk would be like crazy good, but I probably would have made more money off of this because the spreads on German 30 are much better. Or I could have entered off of this from here, and then this was like way too. This was like around 5 a.m. I wasn't sure why I didn't enter off of this one. I could have entered off of that candle closure because it gave me the lower high again, but I guess I just didn't. I don't know. I didn't. I don't know why, if I'm being honest. But yeah, at least we got this trade. And one thing about this problem is that I can't enter two trades if my lot size on one trade is a lot size of 1. It has to be at least like 0.5 and the other one. But that's because I think I've opened a 0.8 and I've opened a 0.5 at the same time. I'm not sure if this candle gives me like nah, I don't know. I'll probably test it out. I really don't know. But yeah, anyway, so I just been taking one trade at a time, and ultimately German 30 pays me out more. But right now it's just building the confidence. I'm not really too focused on the outcome. I mean, on the money side, it's just more so like just making sure that I am making I'm making good strides with my trade, catching good trades. I kind of do feel like this thing is fatigued at selling, but it really broke this level of buys, so I don't think and it's still giving me structure that it's bearish. So hopefully maybe it'll bounce off of this level, but I'm gonna hold this trade till I don't know when. I don't know. I just have to go back and check if I can actually open 2 trades at the same time. I really don't know, but we'll see. And yeah, it's just a quick overall trade. Franklin at home, be out here again. Our friend's place, just to make, you know, some good strides with the trade. I be in a different environment, you know, catch good trades and stuff. But yeah, on the MT5 though, it did show that it closed below, like there's an hourly candle closure below this lower low. But that's on MT5. I don't know why trading view doesn't show that, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna go based off the MT5 because that's essentially what I trade off of. I don't trade with trading view, I analyze trading view, trade with MT5. And it's kind of cool now, I can actually like analyze just based off of MT5 now. I don't need trading view. I'm still gonna use trading view, don't get me wrong. If you can close like this would be glorious, bro. Give us like another lower high. That'd be crazy. But we'll see. I don't know if it's probably gonna close like that. We'll see. As I'm saying, I'm just gonna hold it to hit TP. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But my stop loss, like I'm risking like almost next to nothing at this point. So I'm like, this is like a freaking 129 trade. The risk reward is crazy. I'm only risking like $13, probably 15 to make like potentially 200. So it's like, damn, I'm catching like good ass moves, bro. Like clean moves, bro. Exotic, like beautiful moves, bro. Beautiful moves. And yeah, man. And I like the fact that like with UK100, it actually helps me pace. Helps me pace better. Like I still get good payouts. Like $200 is like good. Like in a day, that's like 200. If I can make 200 a day or 200 a week, that's like $1,000 a month. That's like well over my salary because obviously the dollars and rand a week. But also like considering the fact that they even take out the 20% and I'm still making more than my salary, which is like, not to say that I'm little, but I don't know enough, especially in this economy. But I'm grateful that I have it. I'm not sad. I'm grateful. So I'm thinking, bro, even 200 a week, I'm chilling, bro. 200 a week, 1,000 a month, bro. I'm chilling. All I need is that for now to scale to like to make my numbers for like to replace my job. 200 a week is enough, bro. It's like I'll take that. I'll definitely take that. So right now I'm just like thinking, okay, right now obviously that's the goal, to replace the job first, and then eventually we'll move over to scaling higher once the account is bigger. Like risk a bit more. I just need to really build the discipline and everything with this funded account and just abuse them and keep using them. For now, I'm gonna get another one. That way I'll be like funded crazy. Pause that one and then just get payouts on that one, and just obviously grow it to the same, like have that same what you call this, have the same breathing room as this account, this main account that I have. Because with this trade I'll be well over like building that room that I want, so I don't like blow the account or anything. But I mean, like, the nice thing is that if I catch these good trades, which I will, because that's the main thing, I'm even focusing on like me losing money and stuff like that, because I could withdraw, it's fine, but I'm thinking long term now. Like I want to really grow it and really grow it and really grow it. So I'm not too focused on, I'm not even worried that like I need to have such a big drawdown room so I don't lose the account. But it's like I'm not even worried about that, because the trades that I'm catching are good. I'm not just like, and when I risk and make mistakes, it's not even like a big ass mistake. It's like I'm risking almost next to nothing, so my account won't even be blown at that point. I'll still be able to manage the risk properly and maintain the account and handle this, because essentially this is like almost 100k in SA money. That's way more than what I would get from SA brokers. So I mean SA prop funds. So it's like, hey man, at this point I'm cool, I'm chilling. I don't really mind using this, because I'm gonna get another one, and then I'll be like close to 200k funded. It's just like I just need to make like 10% of that. That's like 20 bands, bro. 20 bands, bro. That's like easy stuff, bro. Because like, say I had this account, I would have been floating like 102. I would have made my target, bro. And I think 2 accounts is really all you need. 1 account to get you set up, and then the 2 accounts will be all I need. But then again, it's gonna require me to like really be quick when I'm entering and exiting trades. Okay, exiting would just be a TP, but like entering trades and managing the risk, I have to flip over accounts and stuff. So I'm kind of thinking of getting another phone, just to have 2 trading phones, 2 accounts. That'll be cool. But for now, yeah, I'm just pacing myself. I'm gonna get there eventually, and I'm gonna need 2 phones. So it's gonna, one will be at home, one will be, you know, with me. But obviously when I move back this side, if I do get a chance to, then I'll just have them both on me at the same time and just pop up, trade into trades, boom. Now I'm like making double the money with the same risk. And then yeah, just be cool. Maybe one account for 1 pay, but I'll enter, yeah, 1 account for 1 pay, 1 account for the other pay, because I can't enter I can't enter 2 trades, especially with lot sizes of 1. But I don't think I'll need to, because 1 I'll use for UK100 because the spreads is a minimal. Then German 30 I'll keep it at 0.8, 0.9. Because 0.8 pays well though, yeah. I won't lie. It pays well. So just managing my risk, managing my capital, hopefully yeah man, like we eventually get to the point where like we're trading 2 accounts. Okay, we got about 2 minutes before this candle closes. Are you going to give me a lower high, or are you going to continue to make it? I hope it gives me this lower high, because that means it's like, okay, cool. We still have more bearish structure, because lower high, it's, oh damn, my bad. It's lower high, lower high, lower high. Now I just need that lower low. Lower low, lower low. We're going to get another lower low here. So, yeah, I'm cool. It's good trading week, man. Damn, bro, November, we up, bro. Like, we fucking up. Bro. Like, I've made back probably all the money that I've lost through trading in the span of a week, bro. If not all of it, but like most of it, bro. Like, because I'm kind of like in dollars, bro. Like, I deadass made all the money back that I've lost to trading. Like 90%, if not 100, but like 90%. And that's like in a span of like a week. 2 weeks. Nah, it's like a week. It's like 2 weeks. Because I'm not talking about the challenge side. I'm talking about the funded side. Because I can just withdraw that if I want to. Because they allow you to. And I've made that back, bro. Like, hold on. Let me just see. Let's actually, let me do it live in front of you right now, so you don't think I'm capping. If I close it with this trade right now, okay, let's take the dollar to the rand right now. Why doesn't it 17? Okay, if I close it on this trade now, that's 9.4, right? That's almost 10 bands. Damn, that's crazy. And I could withdraw that if I want to, but no, we're not gonna do that. Fuck that shit. Okay, let's see 500. No. Okay, 550, right? Okay, yeah, it would be like 90%. Okay, and then we are, let's say we say 9.460 minus 20%. 7.5. So it's minus, yeah, bro, holy shit. Yeah, it's like 90%, bro. Like 90% of everything that I've lost up until this point. whether that be through my my micro account, my vault account, which I actually lost 2 bands, but I've made it back now clearly. And I know people are like, nah, it's not yours if it's not in your bank account, but it's like, bruh, I could like just go and withdraw it now and just tell them I want to withdraw. What's stopping me from doing that? Yep, gave me that lower high, perfect. Now let's see what you want to do. Come on, just continue to shit the bed, baby. Yeah, that's the micro account. That's the vault account, which allows for 2 bands on Monday. And nah, I have to call him back. I'm kind of busy. And then it's also like the which account, the trade 245 account, which is like roughly like 5 bands. So legit, bro. So it's at 2,000 that I lost. Then it's at 5 bands plus, let's say 5 bands, right? What? Let's just do that again. Minus 20%, right? Minus that 2 bands from the amount that I saved. Minus, yeah, I have to call them back. Minus the 5 bands that we lost. 568. So I'm like almost at break even. Like I'm saying, it was like 90% that I've actually lost, bro. Like probably like 1,000. Yeah, I'm just short like 1,000. But I'm gonna make that back like probably with this trade, bro. Like this trade will put me back at break even. Like if this trade bangs up, I'm officially break even, bro. Like officially break even now. Like I'm break even after 7 months of losses, bro. I'm just break even now. In 2 weeks, it's 7 months of 8 months, 7 months of losses to making it all back in 1 week. Making every single loss that I've made like 90%. It's like, what? Bro, it only took me a week. It legit only took me a week to become break even. And yes, the money's still not in my account, but after like the time period before I can withdraw all that shit if I fucking wanted to and just go back to my live account. Nothing is stopping me from doing that. Like absolutely nothing. And once that money hits the account, then what are the people gonna say? It's like, yeah, it's such a money, bruh. It's there. I can do it after like probably by next week when I get paid for my job. I can withdraw that money and just be like, you know what, fuck it. I know what to do now with the prop firms, whatever. Let me just risk another $200 and buy this account again. Pass the funded, and then do it all over again. But that's not what I'm gonna do. That's not the goal. The goal is to maintain and sustain this long term. You're not supposed to just like withdraw everything. So obviously, of course not, I'm not going to withdraw everything. I could if I want to, and then just go back to my live account, but I'm not going to do that, because why would I be thinking such like short? Why would I have such short-term goals for myself when I know that I'm break even? Fine, I'm break even now, cool. Like how much would this shit put me at? Because I'm chilling like on 470 something. Let's actually do the fucking math. Let's do the math. So right now I'm on 475. This trade bangs out, puts me at 655 times. Okay, this bridge, yeah. 11k, 11267, right? 11267. Oh shit. Right? Minus 20%. Bro, I'm fucking break even at this point. I'm fucking break even, bro. Once this trade bangs out, I'm break even. Every single loss that I've taken, even on my Access account that I traded like 200 rand, bro, every single thing, bro. Because I've only had the Vault account. Yeah, I had the Vault and the 245. The $245 account, which is 350, but I made that money back either way. So I didn't lose anything. I actually gained. So I won't count that one. But the one way I lost like 5 bands. I lost 5 bands on that. Then I lost the 2 bands. Off of that, 2,000, bro. I'm dead ass break even, bro. Like, I'm not even fucking kidding. I'm dead ass fucking break even. And like, price is gonna shit the bed, and it's gonna ultimately hit my TP. Like, I know it, because it's still giving me bearish structure. Now it just needs to give me a new low now, because it gave me a new lower high. It didn't break that structure here. It didn't break that structure here. Like, bro, like, I honestly don't understand, bro. Like, I honestly don't understand. Like, I made this shit in like a week, bro. 7 months of fucking losses, bro. 7 fucking months of losses, and I made all that shit back in a week. And it's like, ha 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 ha. Yeah, that was funny. Now, okay, the game's done now. It's fine. We done toying with you now. There you go. It's like, you know, when bullies just take your phone just to see you cry and see what you're gonna do and stuff, and just bully you, and then you get to when like the kids to a point where they're bored now. It's like they're bored of just watching you cry and you know, scream over your shit. Like, oh, don't just take it. I'm done now. That's essentially what this is. Like, the markets or myself without the discipline. It's like, yeah, I love seeing you squirm, whatever. I love seeing you cry. But you know what? I'm done now. Like, let me just give you back your stuff, because you actually proved to me that you're actually not that bad of a person. You actually stuck with your rules, and you actually tried, and you stuck with it. I wanted to see how far you go, and you stuck with it. You went far. So, yeah, man. At this point, it is what it is. But I'll break down this I'll have this breakdown probably on just TikTok or YouTube short or whatever, because I'm not gonna hop on this thing probably till tomorrow if I find another setup. And tomorrow's Wednesday. Wait, is it? Yeah, it's Wednesday. It is Wednesday tomorrow. And yeah, bro. Peace and love, guys. That's it for me. And it's just crazy how you could just lose your money and then just make it all back, like, just like that.